What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is a day I am throwing on the 37-inch tires. I was gonna wait till I got the springs, but you know what? I figured this kind of makes some extra content and it kind of helps other people out. So, and I kind of had to throw on the Nittos as soon as I could. And I'll tell you why later in the video. But so right now, I just got home from work about, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes ago. I had to hop in my truck. I loaded up the truck last night with the tires in the back. I don't know if you can really see it. It's hard to tell on my end, but I'm sure you can see them. But I got the tires loaded up in the back. They are still there, so that's a good sign. I had to drive. I'm driving out to this place called Xtreme 4x4. I believe that's what they're called, Xtreme 4x4. If not, I will check the name, and you know, I'm probably gonna film when I'm there anyway. But yeah, so I had to kind of rush. They are a little further out east from where I live on Long Island. They're about 45 minutes from my house, and then right now it's about 3 something. So you know, I'm on a Friday, so I am hitting some traffic of people driving home and you know, everything like that. But so I was gonna wait, but anyway, stuff came up, decided to throw the 37s on today. So I'm on my way there. I'm on the highway right now, as you can see. A little bit of traffic. It's not too bad. I'm kind of cruising right now, so it's not horrible. I did hit some bumper to bumper a little bit, but I'm on my way there right now, and yeah, I'll fill you guys in when I get there. All right, so we're about 3 minutes away.
Continue on Middle Country Road for half a mile.
2 minutes away. I don't even know where the hell I am. Somewhere in Smithtown. It's a nice, yeah, Mercedes-Benz of Smithtown. It's a Volvo. So it says these guys are up the street. So it's called Xtreme 4-wheel drive.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Should be coming up on the left somewhere. I think I see the sign for it up there, that red X with the black.
Your destination is on the left.
So here we are, guys. So here's the final looks of the 35-inch tires. We'll be throwing out these Nitto Recons 37s. All right, guys, so we got the 37-inch tires installed at Xtreme 4-wheel drive, 4x4, whatever you want to call it. So now you can see them here, the Nitto Recon grapplers. So actually I found out these actually measure out to 35.5-inch tires. He actually took out the tape measure. Really nice guy. His name is Oscar. So if you're ever looking for work in Long Island, definitely check them out. But yeah, so we measured them out. So they're not a true 37. I don't think many tires really are, but these did measure out, aired up to 35.5, and we checked the stock Goodyear tires. They were about 33.5. So definitely a 2-inch jump up, and you can kind of just see how it looks. It rubs a little bit on the driver's side, just a little bit. It might be against the mud flap, so maybe I might take those off, but otherwise these are with no springs, nothing done to the suspension, and it sits really nice. So it's the next day, car's in the driveway. You can see the 37-inch wheels on there, the Nitto Recon grapplers, and loving the way it looks. It does rub, this tire does rub a little bit, so I'm definitely gonna have to do something about that. But like I said, I am gonna do the springs, so eventually that'll hopefully clear up the little rubbing issue that I have. But otherwise, loving the look of it. I feel like this is how the TRX should have came. There was rumors that they did toy around with the 37s on it. That's why they kind of fit perfectly. But I guess for performance purposes, you know, the 35s were just better. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I'm very happy with the way it looks. I'm definitely gonna do another video of driving, and like when I got the wheels done, I just kind of wanted to drive home. There was traffic, and you know, I kind of want to experience the ride a little bit, see how different it is. As far as performance wise, you could tell like you're on a little heavier tire. I should have weighed actually my old setup compared to this. I'm sure it's a little heavier because it's the same wheels. It's just you know, different tires, and obviously a little bigger, so it will weigh a little more. But otherwise, I mean, performance wise, I mean, I stepped on the gas a little bit. It didn't seem that different. I mean, this thing does have 702 horsepower, so you know, I mean, it's not going to slow it down too much. But we'll definitely do you know, a little test drive with it, and you know, give you my reactions and my opinions on the whole 37 setup. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was actually really cool of Xtreme 4-wheel drive. What did I say? 4-wheel W. 4-wheel drive to let me back there and film some stuff. So that was actually really cool. It's a very cool shop. So if you're like anywhere in the tri-state, definitely go check them out. I can't recommend them enough. The owner, Oscar, seems like a really nice dude. And I'm definitely going back there when I do my springs. But thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.